Hey everyone, today we're taking an up-close look at EveryDollar, a personal budgeting app that's all about helping you take control of your money in a simple, intentional way. If you've ever felt like your spending slips through the cracks or you keep wondering where your paycheck disappears to each month, EveryDollar tries to fix that with a clean, structured approach to budgeting. When you first open EveryDollar, what stands out is how easy it feels. There's no clutter, no confusing charts, just a clear breakdown of your monthly budget categories: housing, groceries, transportation, savings, and so on. You start by creating a monthly plan. You tell the app how much money you have coming in and then assign every dollar a job. Whether it's bills, savings, or fun money, the idea is that you plan for every dollar before it's spent instead of reacting afterward. One of the biggest strengths of EveryDollar is its zero-based budgeting philosophy. This means your income minus your expenses should equal zero by the end of your planning, which encourages you to think ahead instead of wondering why money is gone once the month ends. For many users, that mindset shift, planning before spending, is the real game changer. Tracking your spending is pretty straightforward. You can manually log your transactions or connect your bank accounts with the paid version so expenses show up automatically. For people who prefer hands-on control, manually entering transactions can actually help build awareness. You really see where your money goes, which can be eye-opening. The automatic connection option with EveryDollar Plus saves time and syncs your purchases, which is nice if your schedule is busy. The app also makes it easy to adjust on the fly. If you overspend one category, you can move dollars around to cover it. The app shows you exactly where you stand, so you don't get surprised at the end of the month. This flexibility helps keep your budget realistic without feeling restrictive. Of course, there are some limitations. Some users don't love the manual entry option, especially if they're used to full automation. For that reason, many people opt for the paid version, which offers bank syncing and more advanced tools. And while the basic app covers the essentials well, power users might miss deeper analytics or more customizable reporting that other budgeting tools offer. Overall, though, EveryDollar is a solid, approachable budgeting app that works really well if you want a clear, intentional plan for your money. It's especially helpful if you're new to budgeting, or if you want to build better financial habits without the confusion that comes with some more complex platforms. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what app you want reviewed next.